All right, guys, this is Professor Harsh KACHALIA, and I welcome you to the fourth episode of Who Wants to Be a Logician? Yes, who wants to be a logician? Do you? Have you seen the first three episodes? Have you solved the 25 MCQs that I have given to you? Well, if yes, then now we are going to raise the bar a little bit higher. Yes, we are going to challenge you and your concepts in a way that your concepts should be even more clear the moment you finish all the episodes, especially this episode number 4, where we will be covering 10 MCQs in a stretch. All right, without wasting any time, let's start with who wants to be a logician? Question number 26 on your screen right now. Audit committee may make an omnibus approval for what purpose? A, B, C, D. You tell me. A, B, C, D. Audit committee may make an omnibus approval. What is omnibus approval? You want to know that? Refer section 177 about audit committee and you will know the concept of omnibus approval. All right, 30 seconds. Time starts now. Then we shall discuss the question. All right, guys, end of your 30 seconds and the answer is, sir, answer is B. Related party transactions which are proposed to be entered into by the company, those transactions require an omnibus approval to be passed by the audit committee. Well, for those who do not know what is omnibus approval, let me enlighten you. Let me give you some idea about this omnibus approval concept. Omnibus approval means a blanket approval. Practically what happens is, if the law says for every related party transaction, approval of audit committee is must, practically it is not possible. Because audit committee comprises of majority independent directors who are not present in the company every day 9 to 6. Are they? No. Because everybody, they are not present in the company every day, it is not possible. So what to do, sir? That is why they have given this option to take an omnibus approval, whereby after taking this omnibus approval, what you can do is you can enter into related party transactions up to rupees 1 crore per financial year. Yes, you heard it right. The validity of the omnibus approval which will be given to you will be 1 financial year, and up to rupees 1 crore, you need not take any other approval again and again for every transaction. It's a blanket approval, omnibus approval, where multiple transactions up to rupees 1 crore can be covered. So that is the provision of 177. For detailed understanding, of course, you can refer to my summary notes, my main book, or even the question bank, which is openly available for anyone who wants it. All right. Now, let's go to question 27. Question 27 talks about which of the following points is not related to omnibus approval. Meaning, which of the following points you read them, A, B, C, D, and you feel that omnibus approval is required for this purpose. This point does not fall in any such purpose. Which is such point? Well, 30 seconds. Time starts now. All right. Your time is up and your answer is, sir, Answer is, we can't see any other option, sir, because for A, B and D, omnibus approval is required, that we can understand. But the C point says omnibus approval shall be valid for a period of 1. Sir, it shall be valid and all, it is okay. But is it related to the concept of omnibus approval? Related to the concept? No, sir. This is the answer as suggested by our institute. That is option number C is what we consider to be correct over here. And let's go to question 28 on your screen, which is Mr. X is a director. He intimated about his participation in the meeting scheduled on August 2018. Okay. He declared that his participation will be in electronic mode in April 2017. April 2017, he has said that he will be participating through electronic mode. Now the meeting is going to be held in the month of August 2018. April 17 to August 18. Is the intimation given in April 2017 still valid? A, B, C or D? Select the correct answer. You have 30 seconds now. Time. Time's up. Your answer is, sir, most of us thought it is B. Most of us thought it is B, and ICAI has suggested the answer to be D. Well, those who thought it is B, I'm sure, are you doing CS or have you read with the rules of this section? In that case, you might think the answer is B, which is not wrong as such, but when multiple choice questions are there and multiple choices you find are correct, you have to select the best possible choice, best possible option. The best alternative option is what you need to select, and that is why the institute has selected option number D, which says it is not valid because the valid period has expired. That is 1 year since his participation. It's already expired, and that is why his intimation is absolutely not valid. Clear? All right, let's go to question 29 on the screen now. Seafood Limited, incorporated on 1st April 2016. The company has conducted 4 board meetings. The dates are given. Yes, are the dates given to you? Yes, sir. They are 6th April, then 28th August, then 30th September, and then 30th March 2017. 4 board meetings have been held, and all the 4 dates of all the 4 board meetings have been given to you. What you need to do is select. What you need to do is select out of the given 4 options, which is the correct answer to determine whether the meeting held in the financial year were valid or not. 30 seconds. Begin now. All right. Stop. Your answer is, sir, of course, it is invalid. Yes, sir. It is invalid. It is in contravention to the provisions of section 173, which says gap between 2 board meetings should not be more than 120 days, sir. If I see the gap over here, 6th April to 28th August, sir, the gap is definitely more than 120 days. And hence, if you ask me about the validity of these meetings, they are not valid. Refer section 173. The first part in my book also, you will find it in section 173. The first point itself, we have drawn a chart to explain the frequency of the board meeting requirements over there, which is very, very easily, very, very diagrammatically explained, and it will help you to understand the concepts also very, very perfect. All right. So let's go on to the next question. Question 3030. The board of directors of Very Well Limited wants to contribute 60,000 to the charitable trust, the charitable institution. Now what happened is, this particular board of directors want to contribute in this year 60,000 rupees, and in the previous year they have incurred some losses. What we need to understand over here is, if at all this year they want to contribute 60,000 rupees and in the previous year they have incurred any losses, can they still make a contribution of 60,000 rupees? Is it allowed? Is it possible? Yes? No? Yes? State the provision. All right, 30 seconds. Time starts now. Time's up, man. Tell me. Is it allowed? Can they make the charitable contribution over here? Is it possible? Well, your answer is, sir, of course. Yes, sir. It is very well limited, can very well make the contribution. It is very well possible that very well limited can very well go forward, and very well they can make the contribution to the very well known charitable organization, which is the bona fide charitable organization. Because having a loss in the previous year, you cannot make a political charitable contribution. There is no such provision. You can go through 181. They have said average net profit of the preceding 5 years. That's it. 3 years. 5% of the average net profit of the preceding 3 years. Then there also, in case whatever contribution you want to make is exceeding the 5% of the average net profit, you can take approval of the shareholders and always make a contribution. So there is no requirement over there which says if there is a loss in any of the preceding years, you cannot make the contribution. Nothing like that. So very well, limited can very well make the contribution. Right? Question 31 on the screen. Mayur Textiles Limited. Mayur Textiles Limited, which was incorporated in 23rd August 2017. Now, newly incorporated company on 23rd August 2017, as per the requirements of the CA syllabus, Management and Administration, General Meetings chapter. You have to hold your general meeting within 9 months from the closure. 9 months from the closure of the financial year. Correct? So question is, when should you hold your board meeting for adoption of the financial statements? What is the due date over there? 4 options are on the screen, and remember, I am not going to discuss anything in this particular MCQ specifically because I know most of you might be laughing also, sir. What is this? This is CA intern. This is CA intern. So yes, I am not going to discuss many or anything from here. Directly give me the answer. I know you don't even need 30 seconds, but let's have it. 30 seconds. Okay. Time up. No prizes for guessing over here. The answer is 31st of December 2018. There cannot be any other option also over here. So answer is C. Let's go to 32. Straight away. 32. ABC Private Limited has how many? 10 board of directors. A notice was served. A notice of the board meeting was served 7 days prior to the board meeting. Whoa. At their postal address. Very good. Now, out of 10 board of directors over there, understand what they are saying. 1, Mr. M. is hospitalized because of something else. So M is out. Y is going to London. 2 out. Mr. X and Mr. B went to Australia for some company business. You go for whatever reason, I don't care. 4 are out. Mr. E is busy with daughter's marriage. 5 are out. Mr. E, his mother is hospitalized. Please take care of your mom, Mr. E. But you are the 6th one who is out. He assures to attend the meeting through video conference. Sorry, Mr. E. We appreciate your dedication. You are not out. Okay. Mr. D and Mr. P were scheduled to arrive at 2 p.m. on the same day. However, the flight got delayed and they are not in the town. So 5 and 2, 7 are out. So can the meeting be held? Out of the 10 people, what is the board meeting quorum requirement? Section 174. 1/3 or 2, whichever is higher. 1/3 or 2, whichever is higher. Here 1/3 of 10 comes to 3.33333333, which comes to 2, or 4, whichever is higher. And 4 is of course higher, but the directors available, physical as well as electronic, are 3 only. Yes, are 3 only. We just counted them. So only 3 are present, hence the quorum is not present, is what I feel. But let me know about your opinion as well. Maybe I am wrong. Maybe you are right. Maybe we both are right. Maybe we both are wrong. Your 30 seconds start now. All right. So the answer is the board meeting valid? Can the meeting be held? Can it not be held? Sir, quorum is not present. The meeting cannot be held because the quorum is absolutely incomplete. Yes? Lovely. Question 33. Right in front of your screen, Rameshwaran Private Limited Company incorporated on January 12, 2018. Company needs to pass a resolution. For what? Purchase of raw material. They want to pass a resolution. The copy of the resolution along with all the necessary documents has been circulated to all the directors. Okay. Sounds like resolution by circulation coming. Yeah. The company has 10 directors. Mr. Ram Kamal Raj, Firoz Nupur, Bharat, Vinod, Rekha Kapoor, Jivan, 10. Done. Okay. Raj and Ram were abroad. So out of 10, 2 are abroad. Abroad we don't care in 175, do we? Do we? Notice has to be sent to all the directors who are present in India. Is clearly given in 175. Do you understand 175? Read, revise, understand the provision first, then come and solve the MCQ over here. So 8 people need to be given the notice. Okay. Ram, Raj, Nupur, Kamal took objections. Out of 8, 4 are raising objections before the chairman against the passing of the resolution by circulation. Find out the correct option. Can this resolution be passed? Can the objection be sustained? Can the objection be overruled? Is it possible to consider this resolution as a valid resolution, or should we consider this resolution as totally invalid and should we call the meeting, hold the meeting, have the resolution passed at the meeting? Well, your time starts now. All right, time's up. The answer is A, B, C, D. Sir, objection is sustainable. Objection is sustainable because section 175 clearly states that for a resolution by circulation, if at all you want to pass a resolution by circulation, majority of the members should vote in favor. But if at least one third of the members, that is directors, vote that we want this resolution to be discussed at the meeting, it is the duty of the chairman to hold the meeting and discuss the resolution at the meeting. Yes, and hence, in the given case, the resolution cannot be passed by circulation. The objection is sustained. All right. Question 34 on your screen. Jupiter Shopping Mall Limited was incorporated on 3rd December 2016. As on 31st March 2018, it had free reserves of rupees 50 lakhs and its securities premium account showed a balance of 7.5 lakhs. Okay, so maybe you are required to calculate the net worth. Then you have sufficient information over here. Okay, free reserves is there, securities premium is there. Okay, one of the directors, Raha, has a leaning towards a particular political party in which his other family members are actively. Raha convinced the other two directors of the company, that is Promila and Rana, to contribute 10 lakh rupees to a political party. Accordingly, the board of directors have a meeting. They held a meeting on 16th of December 2018. 16th December 2018, they have held a meeting and passed the resolution. Listen carefully. Company incorporated 3rd December 2016. Meeting held 16 December 2018, where they have passed the resolution for making political contribution. Advise the company, is it possible to make a political contribution? Yes or no? And if yes, then how much? You need a hint? You need a hint? You again need a hint? Section 182. Refer it. You have your answer. 30 seconds start now. All right, guys. So here, sir, if at all your question is how much they can contribute, our answer is they can contribute unlimited. Yes or no? Because there is no limit given in the concept of political party contribution. But sir, if your question is can they contribute, your answer is they cannot contribute because 3 years from the date of incorporation are still not over. And any company cannot contribute to any political party unless and until it has completed 3 years to its incorporation. And there is your answer. They cannot contribute. All right. Let's go on to the question 35. Last MCQ of this episode. What is the circumstance in which the notice can be served for inspection of the books, etc. under section 206 of the Companies Act, inspection, inquiry and investigation chapter. Section 206, what are the circumstances? A, B, C or D? Choice is yours. 30 seconds. Clock is ticking. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Time's up. Time's up. And your answer is, sir, there cannot be an MCQ more easier than this. Why will they demand books of accounts for inspection? Because when you furnish the information explanation, either it was not adequate, not sufficient, not satisfactory, or you did not submit. Oh, sir, you just told us the answer. It is what? It is D, all of the above. no prizes for guessing the correct answer over here. Absolutely right. All right. So with this, you might have understood that we have left behind the chapter of directors with 34 MCQs discussing about directors chapter, and now we have stepped into a new chapter of inspection, inquiry, investigation. Of course, directors last part, that is section 196 to 205, still pending. We will take it up at a little bit later stage. 35 over here starts from inspection, inquiry, investigation. And with this, I will conclude this episode of MCQ. Lots of MCQs to be done. The bar will keep on rising higher and higher. Keep in touch. Stay updated with the amendments. Stay updated with the provisions. If you need summary book, if you need question bank, if you need the main book, comprehensive book, well, you all have my number. If not, I am already there on Facebook also, Instagram handle also, everywhere. My name is Harsh KACHALIA only. Get in touch with me anywhere and I will be very, very happy to help. All right. Until then, this is Harsh KACHALIA signing off. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode.